India has the world's second largest standing army, and is its largest arms importer. As per a recent report by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, India is the world's top importer of military equipment, accounting for 11% of global weapon imports. For a country as large as India with vast land frontiers and hostile neighbors, it is critical to acquire self-reliance without delay. Could India's leap into advanced aviation and indigenous manufacturing alter the global defense landscape? The government is encouraging private sector collaborations with foreign manufacturers for technology transfers. During the Prime Minister's visit, state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited entered a pact with General Electric to manufacture jet engines in India. This technology is considered the holy grail of advanced aviation and will help India leap ahead with indigenous aircraft manufacturing. Our Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy, 2020, DPEPP 2020, aims to achieve a turnover of 1.75 trillion rupees, including export of 35,000 crore rupees in aerospace and defense goods and services by 2025. In it, the private sector's role is vital. The government has placed over 400 items of defense equipment on the positive Indige list, throwing open our defense sector to greater private investment. Several prominent Indian companies have achieved significant indigenous potential in various fields. For instance, the successful development of Defense Research and Development Organizations, DRDO, Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, ATAGS, by Bharat Forge and Tata Group is testimony to Indian industry's capability in developing our own advanced weapon platforms. With a range of 48 kilometers, ATAGS is counted among the world's best artillery guns in the 155 mm, 52 cal category. Leveraging its experience of designing it, Pune-based Bharat Forge claims to have developed a full suite of artillery platforms. Particularly noteworthy is the company's defense subsidiary, Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited, having bagged major export orders for artillery guns, a first-of-its-kind achievement for any Indian private company. Similarly, L&T has invested over 8,000 crore rupees in its defense operations to make indigenous missile systems, aerospace components and radar systems that play an important role in modern warfare. In the context of modern warfare needs, India's private sector must focus on future technologies like unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Another private player, Adani Aerospace, is developing drones and counter-drone systems. It aims to implement artificial intelligence and swarm technology in this project. The Tata Group is also collaborating with startups to create drone-based solutions. Engaging the private sector is critical for India to achieve and sustain self-reliance in defense preparedness. However, as the government is the country's sole buyer, it is important to provide a sustained flow of orders for private investment and growth. Wider private sector participation will also encourage innovation and stimulate the growth of a robust defense industrial base, supporting MSMEs in this sector. In an era of geopolitical tensions, the world will need India to help with peace and stability, and also counterbalance rising threats in the Indo-Pacific region. Prime Minister Modi's visit to the US can be said to have greatly added to these efforts.